Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and with every breakthrough, we inch closer to a future where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives. Enter DeepSeek AI, a powerful new player in the AI space that's already turning heads. But what exactly is DeepSeek, and how does it compare to the likes of OpenAI ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, or Anthropic's Claude? Could this be the next big innovation that reshapes the AI landscape? Let's dive deep and find out. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is an advanced artificial intelligence model designed to process and generate human-like text with high accuracy. Developed to rival leading AI models, DeepSeek boasts cutting-edge natural language processing (NLP) capabilities, making it a potential game-changer in the world of AI-powered chatbots, content creation, and data analysis. Whether you need a research assistant, a coding partner, or a creative brainstorming tool, DeepSeek promises to deliver intelligent, context-aware responses. How does DeepSeek AI work? Like its competitors, DeepSeek is powered by deep learning and massive datasets, allowing it to understand context, answer questions, and generate human-like text. It's trained on vast amounts of data, making it adept at handling complex queries, summarizing information, and even assisting with programming tasks. But the real question is, does DeepSeek AI bring anything new to the table? Or is it just another ChatGPT alternative? DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. How do they compare? One of the biggest debates in the AI community right now is whether DeepSeek can outperform OpenAI's GPT-4. While ChatGPT has established itself as the go-to AI assistant, DeepSeek claims to offer enhanced contextual understanding, faster processing speeds, and more refined text generation. But can it truly compete? Early tests suggest that DeepSeek excels in some areas, particularly in obtaining long-form conversations and generating more detailed responses. However, it's still too early to declare a winner. Key features that make DeepSeek AI stand out. DeepSeek AI isn't just another AI model. It brings several innovative features to the table. Advanced context retention. It can maintain longer conversations with better memory. Multitasking capabilities. It handles complex queries, from coding to content creation. Improved accuracy. DeepSeek minimizes hallucinations, providing more reliable responses. Faster processing speeds. It aims to generate responses more quickly than traditional AI models. Customizable AI models. DeepSeek may allow businesses to tailor its capabilities to specific needs. Is DeepSeek AI better for content creation? Content creators, bloggers, and YouTubers are always looking for AI tools that can generate high-quality text, scripts, and ideas. DeepSeek AI seems promising in this regard, offering detailed, well-structured, and engaging content. If you're in the business of writing articles, creating video scripts, or even brainstorming ideas, DeepSeek could be a valuable addition to your workflow. But does it surpass GPT-4 in creativity? The jury's still out. Can DeepSeek AI help programmers and developers? AI tools have become essential for coders, and DeepSeek AI is no exception. Developers are testing its ability to write and debug code, optimize algorithms, and generate explanations for complex programming concepts. If DeepSeek proves to be more efficient and accurate in this area, it could become a go-to resource for software engineers and students alike. DeepSeek AI in research and data analysis. With AI being used increasingly in academic and professional research, DeepSeek's potential to analyze vast datasets, summarize research papers, and generate insightful reports is worth noting. If it can handle data analysis more effectively than current AI models, it might revolutionize fields like scientific research, journalism, and even business intelligence. Potential limitations of DeepSeek AI. No AI model is perfect, and DeepSeek AI is no exception. Some of the concerns raised by early adopters include accuracy issues. While it aims to be more reliable, occasional errors and hallucinations still exist. Limited availability. As a new model, it may not yet be widely accessible. Training data transparency. How much data has DeepSeek been trained on? Some details remain unclear. The future of DeepSeek AI. What's next? As AI continues to advance, models like DeepSeek will need to constantly improve to stay relevant. Future updates may include better contextual understanding, improved fact-checking mechanisms, and more customization options for businesses and individuals. The real challenge will be how well it adapts to user feedback and evolving AI standards. Should you start using DeepSeek AI? If you're an AI enthusiast, content creator, developer, or researcher, DeepSeek AI is definitely worth exploring. While it's still early days, its capabilities suggest it could become a serious competitor in the AI industry. If you're curious, testing it out firsthand could give you a better sense of its strengths and weaknesses. DeepSeek AI and the AI race. The AI space is more competitive than ever, with companies racing to develop smarter and more efficient models. With OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic dominating the industry, DeepSeek AI's emergence shows that there's still room for new players. Whether it can truly challenge the giants of AI remains to be seen, but it's certainly making an impact. Final thoughts: is DeepSeek AI the future? DeepSeek AI has arrived at an exciting time in the world of artificial intelligence. While it may not yet dethrone ChatGPT or Gemini, it's proving to be a powerful, promising alternative with unique strengths. As AI continues to evolve, competition like this can only lead to better, more refined technology for users worldwide. DeepSeek AI in business and marketing. With AI playing an increasingly vital role in digital marketing and business automation, DeepSeek AI has the potential to transform the way companies interact with customers, generate content, and optimize strategies. Businesses could leverage DeepSeek for chatbots, email marketing, ad copy generation, and customer support, streamlining operations while improving engagement. If it delivers on its promise of faster and more accurate responses, it could become a go-to tool for brands looking to enhance their online presence. Ethical considerations and AI bias in DeepSeek. As with any AI model, ethical concerns must be addressed. AI bias remains a significant issue, and DeepSeek AI is no exception. If its training data isn't diverse enough, it might reinforce biases or provide misleading information. Developers must ensure transparency in how the model is trained and take steps to reduce misinformation and biased outputs. Ethical AI development is crucial to ensuring fairness, accuracy, and inclusivity in AI-generated content. User experience. Is DeepSeek AI easy to use? Another critical factor in DeepSeek AI's success is usability. AI tools need to be user-friendly, even for those with no technical background. If DeepSeek offers a clean, intuitive interface with customizable options for different user needs, it could attract a broader audience. Ease of integration into existing platforms, like websites and apps, will also determine how widely it's adopted across different industries. The competition. How will DeepSeek AI evolve? With tech giants continuously updating their AI models, DeepSeek AI will need to keep innovating to stay relevant. Future improvements might include better real-time learning, enhanced voice integration, or AI-powered tools for specific industries. The competition is fierce, and only the most adaptable AI models will thrive in the long run. The question remains, will DeepSeek be able to keep up with the rapid advancements in AI? Conclusion. Should you pay attention to DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is still in its early stages, but it has already sparked excitement in the AI community. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a content creator, a business owner, or a developer, it's worth keeping an eye on this emerging AI. Will it revolutionize the AI industry, or will it fade into the background as just another competitor? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: AI is evolving faster than ever, and DeepSeek is making a strong entrance. Stay tuned to Technopedia Talk for more updates on the latest AI breakthroughs.